This is an orbital strike cannon, a weapon of mass destruction, and I'm going to be showing you how to build it. So let's get into it. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do as soon as you load into the world is get away as far as you can from spawn. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 10,000 blocks away from spawn. Load up the schematic just like this, and before pasting it into the world, make sure the chunk borders are on the line of this red square. And don't worry about these so much, that this red square is lined up properly with the chunk borders. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it into the world. So first thing what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here. Before you fire it, you're going to want to reset the whole cannon. So first, you're going to want to hit this note block, wait a few seconds, hit this lever here, and you should be good to go. Alright. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to come to this orange glass right here. You're going to want to grab the coordinates to it. As you can see, 10,000, 10,000. And you're going to want to put it in this spreadsheet right here. I'll have the link to the spreadsheet in the description. Then you're going to want to come to this nether portal calculator. This is a good site to use. So you just enter 10,000, 10,000. So nether coordinates should be 1250, 1250. So what you're going to want to do is you're not going to want to go through this portal. This is the return minecart portal. You don't really need to pay attention to that. It's just part of the machine. You're going to want to go to this portal right here with the two rails. So just break the portal like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the firing controls on the nether roof. So we're going to input those coordinates that we used on the portal calculator. I'm just putting the 200 so I'm above the nether roof. It's just more convenient to put it above the nether roof and stuff. So make sure you line it up, and when you paste the schematic, it's at 1250, 1250. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in just like that. These two things over here, you're going to want to make sure they're both on. Basically what this does is make sure all the chunks are loaded, so if you fly away or go away from the nether side, it keeps going and charging up the cannon. And this makes sure that the auto firing is active, because what you got to do to fire the cannon is throw an item through the portal, but this automatically does it, so you don't have to do it yourself. So next thing you're going to want to do is find a nice little location like your friend's house to strike. So we're gonna get, I guess, the center area, or whichever area you want to do is fine, and grab the coordinates of that. So we're gonna enter these coordinates in your spreadsheet, and the two options of payloads to fire at your target is a stab charge, which you saw at the beginning of the video, and a nuke charge, which I am about to show you now. This is what we're gonna do. So this time over here is not exactly accurate, but it's an estimation. So what we're gonna do right here with these numbers, and you're gonna find this here. This is gonna be what's going through the minecarts that are gonna be picked up by hoppers on the cannon itself. So we're gonna pull up our spreadsheet here, and the count is 128. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 8, and 140, 1, 4, and 0 for this. And then the trim, we're gonna go 1, and also 1. Then we're gonna select nuke shot. So then we're gonna wanna hit this note block here. It'll dispense a minecart. Put all these in here. Hit it again. So after you hit that button, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go back through the portal and get as far as possible away from the cannon so you can unload the chunk so it can do its magic. So then once you're nice and far away, you're gonna want to go back through the nether, go ahead and go back to the Orbital Cannon Control Center. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and click this note block, and it'll send it through.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like and subscribe so this video gets recommended to more people, and it really helps out the channel a ton.